3, 2, 1, let's go! Congratulations, Dharma. But that's just 90%.
Hey.
So don't worry, Timon. You still have the actual and the real one. Will begin shortly. Sekarang ni the real and actual score. Kalau tadi kita
You makan ya.
dan juga kita trial. So this time around we get actual and the real score. Team 1, are you
Selangor.
guys ready? So let's beat your previous score in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's see. 74%. Hello, those of you. Tepukan untuk semua. Even better. Much better from the previous one. Now, team number 2. You got to beat 74%.
You makan
Can
ah.
you do it?
Yo.